It's not possible to balance your 9 to 5. I'm joking. It is possible. Keep on watching to find out how I've been able to do it.
Yeah, that my mamacita. Yeah, my shorty señorita. Yeah, anything she wanna get.
And in today's video, I'm going to be telling you how I've managed to have a 9 to 5 job and also have a side hustle, which is content creation. Obviously, you can tell I am a YouTuber. I have a platform. I also do influencer marketing on Instagram and my social media platform basically. And yeah, I'm going to tell you how I've managed to balance the two and how I've been consistent. Okay, if you want to know more on this video, keep on watching. But first, make sure you like this video, guys. These little things that you feel like means nothing means a lot to me. So just like the video, and then from liking, you hit the subscribe button, because guys, I want to get to 7,000 subscribers this month. Guys, this is my wish. I'm telling you my desire now. Help me. Let's get to 7K, okay? Hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit the notification button, all right? Let's get into this video. I'm going to tell you guys how I've managed to balance my 9 to 5 job with content creation. So I work at an advertising agency, and basically every day from 9 to 5. What am I saying? 9 to 5. This is Nigeria. Sometimes I've left the office by 9 o'clock. Yes, 9 p.m. Fam. It's crazy, man. But that's not what this video is about. So the first thing I'll say is scheduling. Child, scheduling is very important. You have to plan yourself. Like basically my process is, if let's say it's August 29th and I'm planning for September, I already have brainstormed the videos and the content I want to create. So I create like a to-do list. Okay, I want to shoot 4 videos for YouTube in September. So every weekend I'm dropping a video. And apart from videos, pictures are also involved. So you want to schedule yourself. You always want to have a to-do list or a planner to know, okay, the kind of content you would like to create. This helps you stay on track. So let's say I go to work, I come back by like 7. So like 8, from 7 to 8:15, I rest, take a shower, and then once it's 9 on the dot, is either I film, because right now I'm filming at 9, so that's important. If you're having a 9 to 5, I don't think you have the luxury of filming during the day, like except on the weekend. So you want to get like a light setup or a setup that is conducive or works for you at night as well. You have to plan and say, okay, this is what I'll be filming. All right. Having a content calendar is important. If you don't know what a content calendar is, just Google it. You see a content calendar. Content calendar will help you map out the kind of content you want to create and what you need to create that video, which is very, very key. You need a content calendar, guys. I use a content calendar and it's been very, very helpful. So you want to get a content calendar. This helps you map out your content so you stay on track. You also need to like prepare all your resources. So if I'm filming a hair tutorial, I know that I need to get my Eco Styler gel, I need to get some flexi rods, I need to get a satin scarf. So like I get those things before that video occurs. If you're collaborating with another YouTuber, you need to have already found out, okay, what is her schedule like, how are we going to meet, which day is convenient for you. You also need to plan these things, guys. You need to plan your resources because you don't have enough time. So that's another thing I'm going to. Time management is key. Time management is important. Time management is very necessary. Very necessary, guys. So after your 9 to 5, you can have a, let's say 6 to 11. Okay, this is the time where you know, okay, I'm giving this to my business, I'm giving this to content creation, I'm giving this to my side hustle. You get me? This is where time management comes in place. You have to be resourceful. You don't have enough time because you have work deliverables, so you need to set aside time for your own personal hustle. Always utilize your free time. Trust me, guys, we have free time. Even after work, we have free time because sometimes we're just Netflixing, we're just chilling, we're just scrolling on Instagram for hours and hours. So you can use this time to create content. It's not easy, but it's very, very, very possible. Another tip is ask your friends and family for help. Like for me, some of the pictures I take on the gram, I ask my friends for help. Like I literally ask them, guys, please, I need you to take this picture. I send them art directions. Maybe I go on Pinterest. Okay, this is the kind of look I'm going for. I need your help, because it's just so much easier and faster than you doing it yourself. So I would say always ask for help from your friends, from your family, if it's for taking pictures and, you know, etc, etc. If you're running a business and you need someone to make deliveries or whatever, ask your friends and family. Say save money, because to be honest, my full-time dream or my goal is to work for myself. This 9 to 5, I'm doing it for discipline, I'm doing it to save money, and I'm doing it for, you know, yeah, I'm basically doing it to save money. I'm interested in the field where I work, but it's all about the cha-ching. So you definitely need to save money to do your side hustle, because your side hustle requires income. So I'll definitely advise you, like every month you get, you know, your salary, even if it's 20%, just put it aside for your side hustles. Like me, I have a plan. After a certain amount of time, I want to do my own thing, so I need to be able to save XY amount of money that will sustain me for the transition that I'm transitioning from a 9 to 5 to full-time influencing, marketing, or whatever I'm doing. So you definitely need to save money for a rainy day. Content creation is not cheap, guys. It's capital intensive, but it requires money. Just filming products, filming a mukbang, you need to buy food, you need to buy props, you need to buy hair stuff, you need to buy makeup. It's not cheap, so you need to be saving money. A lot of family and friends always say, oh my god, and followers, oh my god, how do you do it? I know you have a job, how are you making time? How are you doing it? Guys, it's sacrifice and hard work. Like, I won't lie to you, you need to be there, you need to show up for yourself. Like when nobody else is showing up for you, when nobody else is supporting you, you need to be your best supporter. And it's okay if you can't balance it at first. At first I was struggling with consistency, but you know, the more you try, the more you like plan a routine and a schedule that works for you. It's okay to feel guilty sometimes when you don't meet your own personal deliverable. Nobody will tell you this, but I'm telling you this because it happens. It's not every time where you're on point, you're dropping a video back to back every week, or posting on Instagram 5 times a week. It's not every time it's like that. Sometimes you just have your off week, because sometimes work can be a lot. God, I'm not kidding, work can be a lot. But once you say, okay, I'm going to try again, I failed this week, but next week I'm going to keep pushing, then you're good, sis. You're good, bro, because I got male subscribers. You're good, okay? Yeah. My most important tip is batching. Basically, batching is you creating multiple contents in one day. This is like you saying, okay, I'm going to film 4 videos today, I'm going to take 5 set of pictures today, I'm going to write 10 captions today for my next 10 posts. Basically, batching is you creating a series of content so that you can spread it out during the week, during the month, during whatever time period you've given yourself. So I will tell you, batching is very important. A lot of people don't know, but this is what I do. I'll change a wig, change my natural hair, change my dress, film another video so that I can spread it during the week. Because girl, you have a personal life too. Like, apart from side hustle and business and work, you have a personal life too. You have family obligations. If you're in a relationship, you have relationship obligations, and you have to also flourish in other aspects of your life. So batching is key. Just film multiple contents in one day. Plan how, okay, I want to shoot this video, maybe it's a talking video, maybe one is a tutorial, maybe I need to take pictures, maybe I need to do a TikTok or a real video. So batching is your best friend. This is how I do it. I think this is the most important key. I should have said this first, but batching is, if you're not disciplined, you cannot do it. If you're not disciplined, this is going to be difficult for you. You have to, it's like saying, okay, I'm going to set my alarm every day by 5 a.m. and I'm going to pray and spend time with God. This is how content creation or having a side hustle is. You have to set out that time, because if you end up not setting out that time, you know, you won't be able to achieve the goals you set out for your side hustle. So you need to be freaking disciplined. You need to be focused. You have a goal to reach, and in order to do that, you need to be disciplined. Like, it might not be favorable to you. Sometimes you might come back tired. Okay, take a nap, set your alarm, wake up and say, okay, I'll continue editing. Like, just make it work. It's not easy, guys, I promise you. Like, sometimes I'm like, oh my god, why am I doing this again? But then I remember why. Another important thing is the why. Why are you having a side hustle? Why are you creating content? Because you have a goal. You want to grow your following. You want to, build engagement with your followers and everything. You want to start your business. Whatever the reason is, whatever your goal is, whatever you're trying to reach, let that be at the front of your mind or at the back of your mind, wherever you need it to be. You need to know the why you're doing this. If not, sometimes you just give up, like, why am I stressing myself? Why am I killing myself? You need to know the why, and you have to balance, just basically balance everything. You can't neglect your work because of side hustle. Side hustle might not be paying you yet, or it's paying you barely, but your salary is consistent, and that is the contract you signed. So always find a balance. Let your weekend be your weekend. Let your I'm closing by 7, I'm closing by 6 be your I'm closing by 6, so that you can focus on other aspects of your life. Yeah guys, and that's it guys for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. I hope that if you're having a side hustle, you can apply these tips, or if you have any other tips that have been working for you, feel free to share it in the comment section down below. Let me know how you've been balancing your side hustle with your 9 to 5. I hope that you really enjoyed this video, and guys, I beg you, please, I'm begging you, just hit the subscribe button. Road to 7K. Make my September dream a reality. All right. That's it guys, thank you for watching. Till next time, bye. All of you that have been asking me, Olivia, how do you do it? How do I do it? This is how I do it. And sometimes when I feel overwhelmed, I say a prayer. I say, God, Jesus, strengthen me, strengthen me. Guys, I don't know what's wrong with me. Scheduling is important, because you've already important because content creation is not cheap. Trust me, daddy. Who is daddy? No, there's no daddy here.
You gotta look in your eyes, staring right into my soul.